Ready to unlock the full potential of your online business by offering your customers the payment options they crave. Let's dive straight into configuring payment methods on Stripe, boosting your conversion rates and making your customers happier than ever. First, log into your Stripe dashboard on the left-hand side. Find the Settings gear icon and click that to be brought to Settings. Within the Settings menu, scroll to the section labeled Payments and select Payment Methods. This is where the magic happens. Stripe automatically enables cards like Visa and MasterCard. You can click the card section to customize your card acceptance settings, like choosing which card types you want to accept. Now, for wallets, scroll down to the Wallets section to see options like Apple Pay and Google Pay. Simply click the Activate button next to each wallet you want to offer your customers a faster, more mobile-friendly checkout experience. Finally, let's explore bank transfers. Navigate to the Bank Debits or Bank Transfer section to enable options like ACH Direct Debit US or SEPA Direct Debit Europe. Just click Turn On for each method you'd like to activate. And that's it. By offering a variety of payment methods, you are creating a seamless and convenient experience for your customers, increasing the likelihood of successful transactions and driving sales. Happy selling.